Every factory creates output, but it also creates something we don't always see. Processes like heat generation and material handling can release dust and emissions into the environment. If left uncontrolled, this impacts air quality, worker safety, and the surrounding ecosystem. At PIX Transmissions Ltd, pollution control systems are integrated across operations to capture and manage these emissions effectively. The use of eco-friendly biomass briquettes as fuel helps significantly reduce harmful emissions, with up to 90 to 95% reduction in sulfur emissions compared to conventional fuels. Advanced systems like Cyclone separators help remove larger dust particles efficiently, ensuring cleaner air release. Along with this, water treatment, waste management, and continuous monitoring systems help maintain a clean and safe environment. At our dedicated mixing plant, a fully automated carbon dust collection system helps capture fine particles as small as 5 microns. The system also enables recovery and reuse of collected carbon particles, supporting cleaner operations and reduced material waste. These initiatives are aligned with the 3R principle: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These practices are aligned with ISO 14001:2015 Environmental Management Standards, reinforcing our commitment to responsible manufacturing. Because true industrial progress is not just about what we produce, but how responsibly we produce it. PIX Transmissions Ltd, powering industries worldwide.